Mary J.
What was that?
It is me, Charlie.
I'm just gonna go get something to eat. Thanks. Oh, wait, I forgot to close the fridge.
Hungry?
I think I lost my appetite.
Hello? Jay, it's for you.
Hello? Oh, Mom, don't call here. I did my chores. Leave me alone.
We're just getting a little Princess Peach. I mean, what the? Hold and move. I mean, in. Stop it. Morning, Jay. So what's new, Jay?
Well, I had this dream, well, like a nightmare that you were a ghost and you were like teleporting. Like I went to the fridge and got some water and you just like popped up. I was like really scared, and then I went over to the table and drinking my water, but the cap was already off. So like I spit out my water because I didn't have any appetite to eat or drink anything. So I went back to sleep and now I'm talking to you.
You know, I totally understand.
Oh, not again.
Die, Jay!